Hello kids, today we will learn different shapes. Orange color, red color, sky blue color, green color, yellow color, black color. Square, heart shape, triangle, circle, oval, rhombus, rectangle, star, pentagon, hexagon, diamond shape, half circle. Let's draw square, square, heart shape, triangle, triangle, circle, circle, oval, oval, rhombus, rhombus, rectangle, rectangle, star, star, pentagon, pentagon, hexagon, hexagon, diamond shape, half circle, half circle. Green color, square, square. Red color, heart shape, heart shape. Yellow color, triangle, triangle. Orange color, circle, circle. Sky blue color, oval, oval. Green color, rhombus, rhombus. Orange color, rectangle, rectangle. Yellow color, star, star. Red color, pentagon, pentagon. Sky blue color, hexagon, hexagon. Yellow color, diamond shape, diamond shape. Sky blue color, half circle, half circle. Square, heart shape, triangle, circle, oval, rhombus, rectangle, star, pentagon, hexagon, diamond shape, half circle. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe my channel.